back to channel Crypto Victoria community, ladies and gentlemen. We are back with another one exciting video, and guys, this is completely bluish project. So before that, I am not a financial advisor. Always research before your any investment. So before starting the review, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for further upcoming video notification. So let's start the review now. Today I am talking about very awesome and completely bluish project which is Let's Stops, and here you can earn different rewards, lots of, if you download this app, if you or download this app, you can get more of the profits rewards, and it's a very generate passive income to you. This is the first app that turns daily rides into very profitable reward. So guys, this is very awesome, and here are the also road safety insights about almost 1.35 million, that is the global road accident deaths almost per year. So 40% of drivers admit that they use phone, and 90% of the fatality from texting and driving, 6x risk compared to driving under influence. So with these of the concerns numbers, let's stop use the tech and campaigns to fight phone direct distractions and make roads safer for the all guys. So here is the very innovating road safety, how you can save and how you can drive safely. And this is the very innovative in road safety by rewarding safer, smarter driving through advanced AI. And these AI driving safety applications focus on rewarding positive driving behavior until a global community for a safer road. So here you have to safeguard is for safety, monitor phone use for safer drives, also global community and drive and earn rewards. This is for the very responsible driving habits and unique features also, and also web3 integrations, and here is a roadmap when their phases have been completed, what is the past and future development of about Let's Stops. And here is the all of the development of about this amazing project when they have create, and about their project when they start their initial marketing cap, and also their what's their about community drop missions when they uh, join their expansion phase. So here you can get all of the information development about this amazing project. So there is the rewards and different features of about Let's Stops. Here is the drive scores, also the experience points, and stop shows, also Let's Stop credits. Also here you can read guys, and this is about our management, who is the founder and technology manager of our the Let's Stops, for Levy. Here you can read about him, and here is our all of the advisors which are doing very hard work about this related project. So this is the multi-sector fleet solutions about public transportation, delivery, construction, car rental, and also insurance providers. These are the almost our partnerships guys. So this is about the Let's Stop, and here you have you how you can use this app, how you have to download, and here I will explain each and everything. So you have to don't miss any part of these videos, and I have placed all official links in my video description. You have to simply click and you can join this very awesome project. So guys, you have to simply download this app from App Store or Google Play Store, and here you have to how you have to join. You have to simply put your email, you have to register your account, and you can sign up. So how it's work, all of the users very experienced seamless rewards as the app works automatically in the background, and there's no problem if you are using any other thing on your mobile, so this app can work in the background of your mobile phone. So this is the very preferred navigation system that recognize and rewarding their safe driving habits. So you can drive safely on crypto tokens and also XPs. Here you can also enhance your drive, claim your prices, and you can trade your token also here. So this is how you can understand this stop apps. Guys, you have to simply maximize your drive. The ultimate stop app tutorial here is available, you can see, and you can get all of the instructions about this app in this tutorial video. You have to simply click and you can get about all of this amazing awesome project. So this is how you have to register and log in on this some platform that I have described earlier. So this is the real-time driving feedback about Let's Stop Store, rewarding responsible driving also. And here you have to selecting a plan. All of the users can choose for multiple subscriptions plan, and you have to simply choose your plan, which one you to do. You have to select and then user profile, driving profit flow, and you have to showcase your driving metrics, also your token accumulation and value destruction cost. And here you can grow rewards with the referral also. And this very you used your referral program boost and experience, offering 55% credit bonus for refers and mystery box. So here is the about crypto transfer on crypto exchange you can do. And also this is the app about. So how now we talk about this token. This is the stop tokens, and here you can see it is basically on Ethereum ERC20 on blockchain. And here it can be convertible from Let's Stop credits, and also the feature used as a payment across various business. And these are of the features there. Here is our airdrop program also. Here you can earn a reward by joining, and if you have to download and register this app using the app accumulating token, you can like share and tagging. Also here is referral program rewards, also 5% available. This is our token allocations. Here you can see, and this is the our maximum supply. This is having system of the annual stop token having events also mirroring Bitcoin model, but I think clearly enhance the token also. So here is the how you have to contact us. You have to simply put your email and you can contact. So you have to must join this awesome project. So see you next video. Thanks for watching.